Hello everyone, Adam Doherty here. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Doherty Law Firm's Know the Law. Today we're going to talk to you about subrogation rights. Subrogation rights are rights that an insurance company, most often it's going to be health insurance, it could be workers' comp insurance, and it could be med pay, as we talked about in our last episode. What subrogation rights do is they allow an insurance company to come in and take the money that they've paid out for your medical treatment out of your settlement money. So if you are making a claim against a third party, the rules change a little bit if you're making a claim against your UM, but if you're making a claim against a third party and you're going to get a recovery from that third party, then subrogation rights will kick in. And if you have a med pay or if you have health insurance and they have paid money towards your claim, they're allowed to ask for that money back. Now, keep in mind, there are some rules that come with subrogation rights. So most of the time, the insurance companies will need to discount that by a third or 40%, depending on what your contingency fee contract is with your attorney. So if it's a typical case that gets resolved in pre-suit and your attorney's fees are a third, the subrogation fees are typically reduced by a third. If the case is in litigation and the fee is at 40%, then typically it's going to be reduced by 40%. Where that changes is on health insurance. So there's two types of subrogation when it comes to health insurance. There are what's called state claims and there are ERISA claims. So if you go out and you purchase a health insurance policy on your own, that would be governed by state rules, which means that your insurance company would have to reduce the lien that they're trying to get back by the percentage of attorney's fees and costs. If, however, your insurance is given to you by an employer, then what's called ERISA laws take effect, and those are federal laws. And under ERISA, health insurance companies are allowed to ask for reimbursement dollar for dollar what they paid for your medical treatment. And it's been my experience, with very few exceptions, that that is what they do every single time. So I hope that this helps your understanding of subrogation and what subrogation rights are. As always, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, email us at team@wetrycases.com, or please leave a comment or question below and we will get back with you. Thank you.